Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a new account on AWS console. So for that, just go to Google and search for AWS console. Here you can find the first website, the first result. Just open that website aws.amazon.com/console. Here, click on create an AWS account. Here you have to put your root email address. The account that we are going to create will be your root account, so I will put my email address here and give it a name. This will be your account name, and this is how you can going to be logged into your account. So that's it. Just click on verify email. It will send a verification code on your email. Just copy that and paste it in that input box. Just verify. Yeah, it's our email address is now verified. Now we have to create a new root password. Just make sure that you create a very strong password. So I have put my password here. Let's continue to step 2. I want this as my personal account. My name is Shubham Lad. Phone number, it is India. Okay, so I have entered all my details here. Let's continue to step 3. Now here you have to put your billing credit card or debit card number. This will going to cost you around $1, but this is a refundable amount. So after verification they will refund you in maybe just in a week into your account. So just fill it out and continue to next step. Okay, so I have entered all my payment details. Let's continue verify and continue to next step. It will redirect us to our payment gateway. So just enter all the number your OTP and finish your payment. Okay, so payment has been done. We have to confirm our phone number. So just enter your phone number here. It will send you a verification code on your mobile number. You just have to put it in here and it will confirm your account. So then in last step we have to select our support plan. We are using this for personal purpose only, so we will going to be select a business support, basic support, which is a free plan, and just complete the sign up and we are done. Now we can log in to our console. Here in root user, just put your email address and the password that you have entered during your sign up process, and we are good to go. It will now give you a 12 months of free tier, so you can use and experience different services of AWS. So enjoy. Let's see you in next video.